In this video, we are going to explain how to change FPL team name 2025. Quick and easy guide. Daughter due to change name. Fast. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. As you can see, choosing your Fantasy Premier League team name is one of the most exciting parts of the season. It's a chance to show off your incredible banter and try to get the best team name in your mini league. Whether you opt for something smart, a cheeky pun, or something personal to you, this is an important decision. However, there might come a time when you want to change your FPL team name for whatever reason. Fortunately, you can. Here's how to change your team name for fantasy football. Can I change my name on Fantasy Premier League? Yes. When you're ready to change your Fantasy Premier League team name, you can do so via the website or the app. On the browser version, follow these instructions. Log into FPL with your email and password. Head to the Pick Team tab on the FPL website, scroll to the bottom of the page, and find Admin. It's next to the upcoming fixtures. Click on the Team Details button. Click on your team name, then change it to your new name. Click Update Details. On the Fantasy Premier League app, you can change your team name easily by following these simple steps. Open the app. Log in if you need to. Head to the Fantasy tab. Scroll to Help and Rules. Find Managing Your Team. Click on the Change My Team Name button. This will open your browser, where you can follow the steps above. So, this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.